Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone X60 Pro with hyperbolic design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, with 6.78 inches 1.5K pill-shaped punch-hole display, resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels, approximately 93.4% screen-to-body ratio, 19.85 to 9 aspect ratio, approximately 437 ppi pixel density, 3000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with single camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.75. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch-hole cutout front camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 8 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of RAM, and 128GB, 256GB, 512GB of onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.8 by 75.5 by 7.98 millimeters, and it weighs around 188 grams, and the color options: sky blue, basalt gray, elegant black, burning orange colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 6600 mAh battery, with 66-watt fast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With face unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with dual stereo speakers support, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X60 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,699 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 2,299 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor X60 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.